morning and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Gold hovered near all-time highs, supported by expectations that the Federal Reserve will resume rate cuts at next week's meeting. Following softer-than-expected US inflation data, US gold futures for December delivery settled flat. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq hit intraday record highs, lifted by a surge in Oracle, while cooler-than-expected inflation data supported expectations the US Federal Reserve will cut interest rates next week. Bitcoin surged above $114,000 for the first time since August the 24th, extending its recent recovery as US inflation data came in far cooler than expected. The move follows the release of the August Producer Price Index, which dropped to a 2.6% year-over-year.
The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The stochastic RSI is in overbought territory.
The economic calendar for the upcoming days promises to be busy and full of crucial updates. From high to moderate importance, these data points will play a role in influencing trading sentiment and guiding market forecasts. Traders and investors should remain vigilant as these data points approach. Being prepared for possible market reactions will be vital to navigating the financial landscape effectively.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Thursday's Market Outlook. And on behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.